There are many great reasons to have flood insurance. Floods are the most common and costly disaster in the United States. 1 inch of water can cause $25,000 worth of damage. Especially in Santa Barbara County, wildfires add a layer of risk during the rainy season because dangerous landslides and debris flows can rush down fire-scarred hillsides. Residents and business owners should evaluate their need for flood insurance now, before the rain starts. Homeowners insurance does not typically cover flood damage. There's a 30-day waiting period for coverage, which means it may be too late to get coverage if you wait to purchase it. To obtain flood insurance, call your local property insurance agent or the National Flood Insurance Hotline at 1-800-427-4661. You can also visit their website at floodsmart.gov. The FEMA Flood Map Service Center can help you find your official flood map, access a range of other flood hazard products, and take advantage of tools for better understanding flood risk. Visit it at msc.fema.gov/portal/home. For more information on preparing for storm season, visit the county's disaster preparedness site at readysbc.org/storm-ready. The First Street Foundation is a nonprofit research and technology group defining America's flood risk. On their Flood Factors site, you can find past floods, current risks, and future projections based on peer-reviewed research from the world's leading flood modelers. Visit their site at floodfactor.com. And for a full list of county flood preparedness information and resources, visit countyofsb.org/pwd/floodprep.sbc.